In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer credit from one customer to another customer in QuickBooks Online. If you need to move a credit balance from one customer profile to a different customer, QuickBooks Online doesn't offer a direct transfer button. But there is a clean and reliable way to handle it properly, and that's by using a journal entry along with the Receive Payment feature. This method shifts the credit between customer accounts without affecting your income, expenses, or cash flow, which is exactly what you want. Start by creating a journal entry. Go to the Plus New button and select Journal Entry. From there, enter the correct date for the transfer. In both lines of the journal entry, use Accounts Receivable, often shown as AR. This is important because the transfer needs to stay inside your receivables, rather than hitting another account by mistake. On the first line in the Debits column, enter the amount you want to transfer. Then in the Name column, choose the customer the credit is moving from. On the second line, in the Credits column, enter that same amount again, and in the Name column, choose the customer the credit is moving to. Make sure the amount matches exactly on both lines so the entry stays balanced. You can also add a memo to make the reason for the transfer clear, which is helpful later if you need to review the transaction or explain it to someone else. Once everything looks correct, save the journal entry. After that, the next step is to clear the credit for the customer the amount is moving from. To do this, use the Receive Payment feature. The goal here is to connect the journal entry to the original credit on that first customer's account, so QuickBooks recognizes that the credit has been removed from one customer and is no longer sitting there as available. As you complete this part, pay close attention to the transactions being linked. You want to make sure the journal entry is applied against the original credit for the correct customer. This helps keep the customer balance accurate and avoids leaving open items behind in accounts receivable. Once that's done, the credit has effectively been shifted and is ready to be reflected under the second customer through the journal entry you created. Always take a moment afterward to review both customer records to confirm the balances now appear where they should. That final check can save time and prevent confusion later on.